President Trump has said a deal is close, only for the two sides to remain far apart.
The support on Capitol Hill is weakening.
Only for the two sides to remain far apart.